Hello friends, myself Aniket Nikam. I would like to discuss the difference between 3NF and BCNF. Okay, so now in our video series, we have studied what is first NF, second NF, third NF. So I would start with I would like to start with 2NF. What is 2NF? It should be free from partial functional dependency. Then we can say that relation or table in a 2NF. Okay, now when the functional dependency is the every functional dependency, any functional dependency having the partial functional dependency, let's say, or you can say at least one functional dependency is detected as a partial functional dependency, that time we can say that this is not in 2NF. So what is partial functional dependency? Understand ABCD is a relation R, and we have this functional dependencies: A determines B, then B determines C. Okay, like this. Now in this case, understand B determines D. Okay, or we can write like this: A determines B and C determines D. In this case, the key is AC, because AC closure determines ABCD. Okay, now in this case, if I will say that A determines B. Now A is a part of key, so any part of key determining any attribute. Now this is called as partial functional dependency. Now this partial functional dependency proves that this is not in 2NF. Okay, so what is 3NF? It should be free from transitive functional dependency. TD. What is transitive functional dependency? When there is a relationship between non-key attribute. In this case, suppose I will write B determines D. So in this case, you can understand B and D both are non-key attributes and there is a relationship between them. So this is called as transitive functional dependency. In 3NF, transitive functional dependency is not allowed. Okay, so what is BCNF? When the X determines Y in this every functional dependency, this should be a super key. Okay, so when this is a super key, that time we can say that this is in BCNF, and as well as it should be in 3NF, means what? Free from transitive functional dependency. What is the first difference? 3NF focuses on primary key, BCNF focuses on candidate key. Redundancy is high compared to BCNF, because as we go from like higher normal forms, let's say 1NF, redundancy is high, then again 2NF, redundancy is low, 3NF, redundancy is low, BCNF, redundancy is lower. But the query optimization, in terms of query optimization or the performance, also decreases with more normalization, because when we have more normalized tables, decomposed tables, that time when we have to retrieve the data, that time we have to apply the join operations, and for processing writing queries as well as processing the complex queries, it takes more time to retrieve data from different tables. But it is very easy, it is very it is having like very minimum time, less time when we retrieve data from single table. Okay, so as we go from more normalization, the complexity and performance decreases, and that is the reason in today's industry we don't have the problem with like space. So we are dealing with directly, we don't do like software engineers in many cases, they don't do more normalization. 1NF, 2NF or max 3NF adequate form, that is sufficient, because we want data, because data size is size is more, and we have available storage for that. So main concern is about performance, because user experience and different parameters says that we should have maximum performance. For that, the concept is called denormalization. If the already we have normalized the tables into higher normal form, so denormalization is applied. What is denormalization? We are going to reduce the normal forms of the table. Okay, now in 3NF, now in X determines Y, if this is in 3NF, that time you can understand X can be a, let's say, a super key, or Y can be part of key. Either X can be a super key or this can be part of key. In this case, we can say that this is in 3NF. For BCNF, the left hand side, the left part should be super key for every functional dependency. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So there are many multiple like tricky questions asked in on the normal forms as well as functional dependencies. So hope you like this difference between the session. If you like the videos, please subscribe my channel and please press notification button for updation of more videos. Thank you very much.